Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the runtime errors on your Windows. So if you encounter the runtime errors, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix this. Okay, so in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, you need to type this command sfc space forward slash scan now. Hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files and check for any integrity violations, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, let's just wait for this and do not close the window. You can just simply minimize the window but do not close it. Okay, so let's just wait for this in a while so that we can run the second command. Now once done, let's type the second command. It's dism space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health. It's dism space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. Hit enter. Now this process will also take some time. This will repair your Windows image, and while the process is going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close the window. And if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage during the process, I can suggest that just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you to continue the process. And once the process has been completed, then just simply close out of here. Finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.